Konnichiwa. Welcome to How to Japanese series. In this video, you will learn how to use kore, sore, and are, Japanese words for pointing. In English, we use words like this and that to point at things. In Japanese, however, there are three words we can use to point at things. They are kore, sore, and are. Let's find out how to use them. Let's take a look at this image. The girl is holding an apple, ringo, near herself. So if she would like to identify what it is, she would say, これはリンゴです, which means this is an apple. Please note that she is closer to the apple than the other party, so she is using これ. The second image you're seeing here is the apple is away from her and near the other party. So she would say, それはリンゴです, which means that is an apple. Please know that she is away from the apple and then the other party is closer to the object, so she is using それ. The third image you are seeing here is the apple is away from both parties. So she would say, あれはリンゴです, which means that over there is an apple. あれ, that is used to point at something away from both parties. Please know that これ, それ, and あれ are probably better translated as this thing, that thing, and that thing over there, since the noun is built in each of these pointing words. Which one to use? これ, それ, or あれ? Let's take a look at image 1. The girl is away from the present and the other party is closer. So she would use それ. How about image number 2? Both of them are away from the elf, so they would use あれ to talk about the present. How about image number 3? Since the girl is holding it and she is closer to the present, she would use これ. Now that we have established which word to use, let's focus on the girl who would like to know what gift the boy is holding. Since she's away from the gift, she would ask, それは何ですか? What is that? Since the boy was the one who wrapped the gift and he knows it's a book, he would say, 本です. Alternatively, he can also say, これは本です. Please know that the girl is using それ because she is farther away, but the boy is using これ because he is closer to the object. Now let's move on to the middle image. The girl would like to know what the elf is holding. So she would ask, あれは何ですか? What is that over there? Both the girl and the boy would use あれ since both of them are away from the object. The boy knows it's a clock, so he would say, 時計です. Alternatively, he can also say, あれは時計です. The girl here just received a gift from the boy and she would like to know what it is. She would ask, これは何ですか? What is this? The boy was the one who wrapped the gift and he knows that those are shoes. So he would say, 靴です. Alternatively, he can also say, それは靴です. Please note that the girl uses これ, but the boy uses それ because she is closer to the gift than he is. これは何ですか? それは何ですか? And あれは何ですか? are very useful sentences. Anything you don't know the name of, you can use one of these expressions to ask for their name, or to find out what certain things are. You just have to observe the distance between yourself and the other party to determine to use これ, それ, or あれ. Now that you know how to use これ, それ, and あれ, you can use them in a shopping situation to ask for prices. How much is this in Japanese is いくらですか? So let's put これ, それ, and あれ in conjunction with いくらですか? Let's listen to dialogue 1. これはいくらですか?
100円です。
The girl asks, how much is this? Please know that she is closer to the apple than the other party, and that's why she's using これ. The boy can also answer saying,
それは 100円です。
That is 100 yen. He is using それ because he is away from the apple. Dialogue 2. それはいくらですか?
200円です。
Please note that she's away from the apple and the other party is closer. That's why she is using それ. The boy can also answer saying,
これは200円です。
This is 200 yen. He is using これ because he is closer to the object than the girl. Dialogue 3. あれはいくらですか?
500円です。
あれ that is being used to point at something away from both parties. The boy can also answer saying,
あれは500円です。
That is 500 yen. Please note that これ, それ, and あれ are words used to point at things, and the item names are already built in those three words. Now with これ, それ, あれ, I hope you will be able to identify things and tell prices or ask questions. Make sure you observe the distance to identify which word to use. Now let's test your knowledge. If the female shopper would like to know how much the bag is, which question will she ask? これはいくらですか? それはいくらですか? Or あれはいくらですか? The answer is あれはいくらですか? Because the bag is away from both parties. If she would like to know how much the watch costs, she would say これはいくらですか? If she would like to know how much the clock near the store clerk costs, she would say それはいくらですか? Now that you have learned the prices of things, so how do you ask to buy a certain item? This dialogue illustrates how to ask for prices and how to specify an item to buy. すみません。これはいくらですか?
1000円です。
それはいくらですか?
5000円です。
じゃあ、これをください. Please pay attention to the particle o used after これ. O is an object marker, indicating the word in front of it is the object of the sentence. Somethingをください means you want it, or in a shopping situation, it means I will take this. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Please also look for the other videos that may help you with your Japanese. Thank you for watching. ではまた。